Okay guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be teaching you how you can make free Bitcoin, free Dogecoin, free Chiba, free Halfcoin, free whatever coin that they have on this platform. You can make it for free with just performing little tasks or watching 10 seconds ADS. Then you make a lot of Dogecoin which you could convert to any crypto of your choice based on this platform. Now I'm going to paste a link under the description of this video, and where you could see on how to register for this, how to create your wallet whereby you could transfer your crypto to. Then you could transfer to either your Binance or your Trust wallet or your Coinbase wallet. So whatever wallet you want to use, you are free to link it up with that. And on that video the tutorial is there, but on this video I'll be concentrating on how you can make how you could swap your Dogecoin that you have made to that. Okay, of course, you make money from watching videos, from watching ADS rather, and from shortening links. So is a very interesting one. But let's assume I've made some money and I've done the tax. I said if you want to see how you could perform the task and register for this, please check the link at the description below. So let's assume I want to swap this 597 Doge to another coin of my choice. This is it. All you just need to do is to click. Let me take that part again so that you will follow. All you just need to do is to click on this particular place where the stuff is showing, the Dogecoin is showing. Click there first so that it can take you to the place to select. When you click, then you click on Dogecoin token. Still click on Dogecoin token at the first there. Okay, then you come to this place, then you pick this have here. You come there, you see, you pick anything you want to pick here. It could be this Halfcoin, it could be Bitcoin, it could be Dogecoin, it could be Cello coin, it could be any kind of coin you want to pick. It could be interior, anything you want to do with it, you just pick. It could be Dogecoin. So you see the list of coins they have here, and this is virtually many kind of coins, including USDT. You can also pick USDT, guys. You can also do that so that then you transfer it to the wallet, which the link on the description below is going to teach you how to go about it. All right, guys, so when you have done selecting, for instance, I want to transfer this to my Half wallet. So you see, I'm going to take this. Let's assume I want to transfer 597, then exchange it. You will see the exchange rate here. This is the exchange rate. If this number of 597 Doge will cost about $0.00170 cents. Okay, let's use cents to this half. So you see that is a good one, and of course you can easily make $1. You can easily make $1 of Dogecoin. You can easily make $1 of Dogecoin. It's not very hard to make. All you just need to do is just perform the simple tasks. Okay, do the simple task, and making up to 10,000 Dogecoin will be giving you almost that. Okay, so it's not hard to make. Okay, it's not hard to make. In a day, if you could perform the task up to 3-4 times, you will make a hell of money, guys. That is just how it works. Okay, so let's just go. So when you are done selecting the actual amount in this box here, the next thing you do is to click on exchange. I don't feel like exchanging my coin. When you click on exchange, you will see that the amount has been deposited in your Half wallet. Then all you just need to do is to transfer the money from this particular place to the wallet of your choice. As I said earlier, the video under will direct you. All you just need to do is to click on balance and withdraw. When you do that, you will see a direction. Let me just do that to show you what I mean. Okay, so see, this is the page it took us to. All you just need to do is to click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, this is withdraw. You click on withdraw here, you see everything will just go straight to the wallet you have linked to this page. As I said, the link below the description will show you. Now this is the minimum amount required for you to transfer. It required 0.0065,000 have for you to transfer. Okay, and this, just look at it here, and this is not going to take you one day to get. And when you get it, of course, you're not in a hurry to sell, but if you want to sell, you sell and make good cash. When you get it, keep doing it, get enough of it, convert it to Ethereum. That I know, of course, will pull up very soon, a surprise. Doge also will also pull off a surprise. Any coin I'm telling you, just do it. Just go and get it. Pitbull is another coin that will pull up a surprise. Please do your research very well before you go into. Then BNB, Binance Coins, is a very good one also, guys. So that is all we have. This is a very easy way to make money. You see all the platform here, you see the Bitcoin. The same way we do it on Half, that is the same way we do it on the Bitcoin, and you are making your cool cash. That is all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on notification bell, drop your comment in the comment section. Thanks and God bless you.